Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss about infographics submission. Okay. So infographics are nothing but infographics is a graphical representation of say any information, any data. Okay. So mostly whenever there is any complex information, then you can use this infographics. Like you can use different types of say animation or maps or signs to describe your complex information so that people can understand in much simpler way. Okay, so if you have infographics on your website, probably like say if you have written a blog through using infographics, then it's there are various sites where you can submit your infographics page to these different infographics directories and blogs. Okay, so suppose for this website, okay, uh, they have created a blog, okay, using infographics. So let's take an example of this. Okay, I'll just go to their blog site, and here are various blogs. Okay, now so this is one example. Okay, or say even this is another example. Okay, I'll just use this. Yeah, so this is one infographics example. Okay, so they have used all these different types of images and these different steps to describe what this is all about. So it's kind of attracting, okay, attracting to the reader as well. Okay, so it's one good way of how to say marketing technique. Okay, now when you have this type of link, okay, this type of, so this will be like your infographics. Now you can submit this particular link to various infographics directories or infographics blog sites. Okay, so where people can come and find your this particular infographics. Okay, the advantage would be these are interesting for users to read, so that they will come to know about this particular information, and they can come to your site as well. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll try to submit this my infographics page to various infographics websites. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this infographics directory list, okay, given in this website, my linkbuildinglist.com. Okay, and of course there are various sites, various infographic sites given where you can go and submit. Okay, so infographics board. Let's see. Let's try. Let's take one example. Okay. Paid. Huh. Now there are free sites as well. Okay, or some infographics website that they will ask for you to pay, like annual fee or a monthly fee or something like that. So if you want to go for paid ones, and probably you need to check out that website. Okay, make sure that it is among the best website. Okay, it's like make sure it's worth paying to that website. Okay, but there are free sites as well. There are many good free sites. Okay, so I think that should be enough as well. Okay. So there's one. Let's take this example. Okay, so these are various different types of infographics people have submitted. Okay, now symbol there's option called submit infographics. Some website may ask you to register, but I'm not sure whether this will ask for registration or not. Let's try submit infographics. Okay, now there's their terms and condition. Okay, It's currently free. Okay, read our submission guidelines. We ignore submissions that aren't copyscape. That is, they want unique content. Okay, copyscape is like as we have discussed in other video about these tools. Okay, available, freely available SEO tools. There, copyscape is one. Copyscape is used to check whether if your web page has any duplicate contents with any other websites. It will compare with any existing website in the world, and if there's any same content, okay, which is duplicate content, then it will show you. So make sure that your infographics particular page, this page is unique, which is you have not copied from any other website. Okay, and this particular site they're asking for at least 125 words. Okay, some site will not ask content. Okay, they'll just, if you have your infographics, that's all. Some sites will ask some content, which means nothing but you describe in written content format. Okay, so links call. So these are the terms and condition, and title, this, and URL, your infographics page. So I suppose you have all this. Okay, title you can use your keyword. Okay, or related your keyword and your particular page, and submit infographics. So some websites you can directly submit to their website, but I think this website will ask you for email. Okay, you have to send through email. So this one you have to send using this. You have to fill all this information. You have to put your title, then you have to put your description, then you have to put your URL and this captcha. Then you email them, and they will respond back to you. Okay, if it is how to say displayed on their sites or not. Okay, so this is one example. It's simple. You just need to have your once you have your this infographics page, then you need to have your title, then URL, then how to say this. You can write a description. Okay, I think even in other sites, that's all you will require. Okay, so there are many sites, many free sites, and there are paid sites as well. Okay, so you can try out. It's a one very good way of building links. Okay, the backlinks that you get from this will be much beneficial for your website. Okay, so that's how infographics is done, and it's one of the new, how to say, we can say emerging, how to say, marketing techniques, infographics. Okay, because instead of, how to say, writing a blog or describing something in, like, say, more than hundreds of words. Okay, people these days, people don't really want to read everything. So if you can describe your information just in images and kind of attracting, how to say, infographics, and it's people will find it more interesting. Okay, so that is all for infographics submission. Okay, we'll see the remaining techniques in our next video. Thanks.